let's be real. Seeing more hair in the shower drain than on your head is a total gut punch. I've been there, and honestly, most miracle shampoos are just expensive bubbles. I bought the 5 best-selling bottles for thinning hair and spent weeks testing them to see which ones actually help and which are just marketing hype.
Product number 1. Tea Ideas Organic Rosemary Hair Growth Shampoo. When I first popped the cap on this Tea Ideas bottle, the rosemary scent hit me immediately. It's got that herbal, medicinal vibe that makes you feel like it's actually doing something scientific to your scalp. The bottle is a bit smaller at 7.4 ounces, but a little goes a long way. What I noticed during my testing is how much grip it gives your hair. It's packed with hydrolyzed keratin, and after a few washes, my hair felt structurally tougher, if that makes sense. It's currently sitting at number 2 in the regrowth rankings, and I can see why. It doesn't lather like those cheap drugstore soaps because it's focusing on organic ingredients, which is a trade-off I'm willing to make for a healthier scalp. The strengthening aspect is the real winner here. I noticed significantly fewer snapped strands when I was combing through afterward. If you're someone who deals with a lot of breakage and wants a more natural, organic route to thicken things up, this is a solid starting point. It feels like a boutique treatment you'd find at a high-end apothecary, but you can just use it in your morning shower. Product number 2. Purador Anti-Thinning Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Holding these heavy 16-ounce gold bottles, you can tell Purador isn't playing around. This is the original gold label set, and with over 40,000 reviews, the pressure was on to see if it lived up to the massive hype. After using the duo, the first thing I noticed wasn't just the volume, it was the moisture. Usually, anti-thinning stuff leaves my hair feeling like hay, but the conditioner in this set is a legitimate deep moisturizing treatment. It uses a biotin and DHT blocker formula that's been clinically tested, and honestly, the thicker-looking claim isn't just talk. It coats the hair in a way that adds visible bulk without feeling greasy. I tried it on color-treated hair as well, and it didn't strip the vibrance at all. It's a workhorse of a product. If you're tired of overthinking your routine and just want a proven all-in-one system that handles everything from split ends to scalp health, this is the set to grab. It's the safe bet for a reason. It covers all the bases for both men and women and delivers a massive amount of product for the price.
Product number 3. Routine Wellness Anti-Thinning Set, Coconut and Vanilla. The packaging on the Routine Wellness set is super clean, but the scent is what actually grabbed me. If you're tired of that chemical hair loss smell, the coconut and vanilla combo is a breath of fresh air. It's like a vacation in a bottle. When I was lathering up, I noticed the texture is very rich. It's formulated specifically for fragile and aging hair, and I could feel that focus on gentle cleaning. It's currently the number 1 regrowth conditioner on the market, which is a huge title to hold. During my time with it, the volumizing effect was the standout feature. It lifted my hair at the roots, making it look much fuller throughout the day. It's color safe too, which is a big deal if you're trying to hide some grays while keeping your hair thick. If you have fine or aging hair that feels like it's losing its life and you want a boost of volume that smells incredible, this is the one. It makes the whole process feel less like a chore and more like a high-end spa experience right in your bathroom.
Product number 4. Routine Wellness Anti-Thinning Set, Citrus and Lemon Blossom. Since I loved the performance of the last one, I had to try the Citrus and Lemon Blossom version to see if the formula felt different. The feel here is much more energizing. The citrus scent is sharp and wakes you up during a 7 a.m. shower. While the previous set focused on aging hair, this one is marketed as a moisturizing powerhouse for all hair types, including damaged and color-treated strands. Testing this out, I found it to be slightly more hydrating than the coconut version. If your scalp tends to get dry or flaky while your hair is thinning, this citrus blend seems to balance that moisture level perfectly. It still has the biotin and DHT blockers that are essential for keeping the hair you've got, but the lemon blossom infusion makes the scalp feel incredibly refreshed and clean. If you have hair that's been beat up by heat styling or sun damage and you need that extra hit of moisture along with your thickening treatment, go with this scent. It's basically a deep hydration mask and a thickening shampoo rolled into one.
Product number 5. Nutrafol Clean and Hydrate Shampoo. Nutrafol is a name I see everywhere in the hair supplement world, so I was curious if their shampoo lived up to their physician-formulated reputation. The bottle feels premium, and the liquid itself has a very refined, lightweight texture. When I used it, I noticed it doesn't give you that heavy, coated feeling some thickening shampoos do. Instead, it focused on the scalp. It felt like it was actually clearing away the gunk and sebum that can clog follicles. The real benefit here is the texture it gives your hair after it dries. My hair felt incredibly soft, but somehow stronger at the same time. It's sulfate-free and physician-formulated, which gives me a lot of peace of mind about what I'm putting on my skin. It's currently sitting at number 5 for regrowth shampoos, and I think it's the best choice for anyone who wants a science-first approach. If you're already taking hair vitamins and want a professional-grade shampoo to support that from the outside, Nutrafol is the clear winner for scalp health and long-term hair quality.